If I have $100 to invest at 8% per year, compounded monthly, when will it be $150? If it's continuous, how long will it be? Let me shut this window. Silly train. I think we live right on the railroad tracks. Okay. So this first one, compounded 8% compounded monthly. That means n is equal to 12. And we want to use this formula. A is equal to P times 1 plus R over N to the NT power. If I have $100 to invest, that's our P. 1 plus, to invest at 8%, so that means that's our R, so 0.08, and then N is 12, and then 12T says how long will be before I have 150. So they're wondering how long before the ending amount is 150. Well, this is an exponential equation, and want to get the part of the variable and the exponent by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 100. Like this. I'll do a little bit of simplifying on the left side, not much. Both those divisible by 10, so it gives me 15 over 10. And over on the right side, these hundreds cancel. And we got 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12 to the 12t power. You do not have to simplify this. If you left it as 150 over 100, you'll get the same answer. You're eventually going to plug it in the calculator anyway, so you don't save a whole lot by spending a lot of time simplifying it, except for possibly to make a mistake. Now, step 2, take natural log of both sides. So we got natural log of 15 divided by 10 equals natural log of 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12 to the 12t power. Our next step, step 3, is to use properties laws to get the variable out of the exponent. So we've got natural log of 15 divided by 10, and we can take this power and put it out in front. So we'll have 12t natural log of 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12. Try to get t by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 12 natural log of 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12. What's in front of our variable and what's after our variable. So I got 12t natural log of 1 plus 0.08 over 12, and then divide by that same thing as we did the left side. When we do that, these 12 is going to cancel, and these natural logs of 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12 will cancel. And we got t is equal to this, and again the trick is to put parentheses around the bottom part. Anytime you have more than a single number, a single variable, or a single log on top or bottom, you have to put parentheses around it. So I'm going to have natural log of 15 divided by 10, close parentheses, divided by, begin parentheses on our denominator, that's this one right here, then 12 natural log of 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12, closing parentheses on log, closing parentheses on denominator, and then enter. You don't need those closing parentheses at the very end. And we get t is equal to 5.09 years, rounded 2 decimal places. Okay, let's look at the continuous one. That's the PERT formula. A is equal to P to the RT. We have $100 to invest. That's our P. So P is 100. E, our rate is 8%, so 0.08. And we're trying to find time. How long will it be before I have 150? So we'll put 150 in for A. Now this is an exponential equation, so I want to get the part of the variable and the exponent by itself. That's step 1. So I divide both sides by 100. And these will cancel. And I'll drop off the zeros at the end, so it gives us 15 over 10 again. Is equal e to the 0.08t. Step 2 is take natural log of both sides. So we got natural log of 15 over 10 is equal to natural log of e to the 0.08t power. Now step 3 says to use properties of logs to get a variable out of the exponent. So we've got natural log of 15 over 10 equals, remember if you have natural log, that's base e. So if I put e here, see how the e's match? The log and e is going to cancel and leave us the 0.08t. And then divide both sides by 0.08. So we've got natural log of 15 over 10 divided by 0.08 is equal to 0.08t divided by 0.08. On the right side, those 0.08s cancel. And over on this side, we'll go ahead and plug that in. So we've got natural log 15 divided by 10, closing parentheses divided by 0.08. And now press enter. And we get 5.07, rounded 2 decimal places. 5.07. And those are answers.